Tawakkul only on Allah. What is tawakkul? To depend on something. To think that He can do the needful for me. This is tawakkul. Iman tells us there should be no tawakkul on any person, on anything. Both, please note. On no person, on nothing. This water, it cannot by itself quench your thirst. It does it only with the permission of Allah. If Allah doesn't allow, you'll go on drinking and drinking and drinking water, and your thirst will not be quenched. This food cannot give you energy by itself. It can give you energy, it can prove energy for you if Allah wills so. There's a hadith that every morsel of the food which is passing through your throat, ask the permission of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Should I be a source of energy for this person, or should I become a poison for this person? It's in the hands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. No medicine can cure your disease except with the permission of Allah. That's why you must have seen, at least in our part of the world, old women used to give medicine to children, but saying, Allah kafi, Allah shafi. Shafi is Allah, not this medicine. Allah is kafi. We are using medicine because this is the practice of the Prophet ﷺ, use the medicine. We have to use the means, but never depend upon means. Never think that these means, these material means, will bring about an effect and result automatically. No. For every event to happen, the permission and leave comes from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The same thing. Nothing can happen to you without His permission. And you cannot do anything. And nothing will give you the required result. Although it might be physically a law that this has the effect. But never think this cause and effect is not automatic. There is intervening in between the cause and the effect, the will and permission of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So tawakkul on Allah and Allah alone.